This is the Vredestein Comtrac All Season Plus, a tyre that blends durability, safety and comfort for vans and light commercial vehicles. It is available in sizes from 15 to 17 inches and is a great option for those who need year-round performance without seasonal tyre changes. The tyre's Optimised tread compound uses reinforcing fillers to help prolong the tyre's performance by over 20% when compared to previous designs. It's designed with a tailor-made compound and asymmetrical tread pattern. It maintains good wet grip and snow performance, whilst helping balance wear for longer mileage. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. Comfort and control haven't been overlooked either, with a higher density steel belt structure, improving stiffness for better stability when carrying heavier loads and enhances responsiveness during cornering. So there we have it, that is the Vredestein Comtrac All Season Plus, a tyre that's going to deliver safety all year round for vans and light commercial vehicles.